Hey everyone, welcome to Movies Allies. So, The Falcon and the Winter Soldier show streamed its final episode on Disney Plus last Friday, and we can agree that it gave a satisfying ending to all Marvel fans, especially those who were waiting to see Sam holding the shield and finally continue the legacy that Steve Rogers left behind. To be honest, Sam nailed it with his new suit, and we finally planted the seeds for future MCU shows and movies. We saw a great fight sequence and Sam literally fought Super Soldier. The question I'm trying to raise in this video is, if Sam never took the Super Soldier serum, what makes him so strong? Specifically, I'm talking about this scene. In this scene, Sam lifted a whole truck. Now you can argue that Sam was being supported by his suit to stay afloat in midair, and you are correct, but Sam is not a super soldier. His body, especially his hands and spine, cannot support weight of a full truck. In this scene, we can see Sam literally holding the whole truck by his hand. His hands are not being supported by either his suit or his wings. If Sam is not a super soldier, truck would have crushed him literally. His hands and his spine both would break. If he was super soldier, lifting the truck might have been possible, but he is not. According to Google, weight of a bulletproof truck is approximately 55,000 pounds. That is roughly 25,000 kgs, including the weight of people inside. That much weight will break Sam's spine and crush him between his suit's uplifting force and the truck. You can say he had the support from Red Wing, but they came in later. Sam held the truck on his own arms for 5 to 10 seconds. Now Marvel introduced Sam as Falcon to the audience in Captain America the Winter Soldier. Until then, we have seen him facing multiple super soldiers. We saw him facing Bucky as the Winter Soldier in Captain America the Winter Soldier movie, but Bucky single-handedly broke and threw him off the ship easily. In the whole show, we saw Sam facing Flag Smashers, where he fought them and showed up as a tough guy. But even with his new shield and suit, he couldn't fight Carly completely. Sam, on the other hand, fought Batroc and the Flag Smashers so many times but stands strong till end. Yeah, he was Steve's sidekick for a reason. John Walker, a super soldier, was struggling to pull the truck back on the track, while Sam, not a super soldier, held it up easily and later used the Red Wings to save the hostages. John Walker was trying to pull the truck up and he was super soldier, not actually lifting the truck. But Sam, being not a super soldier, literally lifted the truck on his hands. Is this a plot hole from MCU? Sam was leading role of this show, so Marvel just made him look stronger than the super soldiers. To get answer to this question, I watched Steve Rogers, as he is also a super soldier and Sam is kind of replacing him as well. Sam is not as powerful as Steve Rogers. As we saw, he gathered the moment to throw the shield at Chopper's pilot. In the fight against Batroc in the final episode, Sam uses the tech on his suit to knock him out, while Steve just did that with his own super soldier strength. This could be a plot hole from Marvel that they didn't realize while showing Sam's strength. Anyways, Marvel really need to take a look bit while portraying their main character. So that's it for today. Hopefully you like the video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye.